Welcome to this video, where we'll tackle a common problem faced when creating custom borders for text fields in javafx. The issue arises when the text field is rotated, causing the bounding box of the border to behave unexpectedly. This can be quite frustrating for developers aiming for a polished UI design. But fear not, as we have a solution to this problem that will ensure your custom border aligns perfectly with the text field, even when rotated. The key to resolving this issue lies in rotating both the text field and the border simultaneously. By encapsulating the text field and the border within a group and rotating the group, we can maintain the alignment between the two components. In the provided code snippet, we create a group containing the text field and the border, set the rotation for the group, and adjust the layout accordingly. This ensures that the custom border remains correctly positioned relative to the rotated text field. In summary, by grouping the text field and the border together and rotating the group as a whole, we can achieve a seamless custom border effect that adapts to the rotation of the text field. This approach resolves the alignment issues that arise when using the bounds-in parent property for creating custom borders in javafx. I hope this solution helps you overcome similar challenges in your javafx projects. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below.